Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you're all staying safe. This week on Guided Reading, we're going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you with your reading, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and stretchy snakes. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures in the book to help you with the words. And your stretchy snake is when you look at the letters in the word and you stretch the sounds out slowly and you go back and say them all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Poem. P-O-M. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's have a go all together one more time. Poem. P-O-M. Fantastic, well done. The book that we're going to be looking at this week is called Family Poems. So here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Family Poems. Our family. My sister is 2. My brother is 3. Sam is 4. And then there is me. 6 in our family, 2 hamsters and a cat. Here is a picture of us in our flat. My brother. I have a brother, his name is Paul. He is 9, he's very tall. I fell over and hurt my knee. My brother Paul looked after me. Where to jump? Jump in the garden till your face is red, but no, 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 jumping on the bed. Jump in the water, but what have I said? But no, 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 jumping on the bed. Where is Bear? It is time for bed, but where is Bear? Is he in here? Is he in there? Bear, where are you? Where are you, Bear? He's not in there. He's not in here. He's not in there. Bear, where are you? There you are, Bear. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you're struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again, or on Oxford Owl they have the play button where they can read it for you. On this week's guided reading, we're going to be doing another word search. To access the word search, you need to click the link that I will post in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again, and then you need to find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your fantastic work. Enjoy and have fun.